How to change your Noom account password online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your Noom.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on your menu bar right here, and then from here, if you keep on scrolling here, you can actually find the option of login. What you're going to do is simply tap on that option login and then log into your Noom account, right? So you can add in all of the credentials of your account and then log into your account, and then from there, what you should do is simply get into your Noom dashboard just like this. So you can even use the application version of it. It really does not matter as long as you are logged into your account. Then from here, you can simply tap on the menu icon right here again. And when you're logged into your account, you'll actually be able to see settings. Tap on settings, and then from there, you can select the account settings, right? So after selecting account settings, you'll actually be able to see the change password option. Tap on change password and then enter your current password, input your new password. Input it one more time for the confirmation, and then you can tap on save and save it just like that. You'll be able to change your Noom account password online.